In this video, we'll show you how to move content on your page using drag and drop in the Lightning platform. This allows you to quickly rearrange text, images, and other options until your page looks exactly how you want it. On your page, each piece of content is called an option. Options include things like text, images, buttons, videos, and other components. To move an option, click on it and hold the mouse button down. After a short delay, the page will become dimmed and your mouse pointer will change. This shows that the option is now ready to be moved. As you move your mouse around the page, you'll see highlighted areas showing where the option can be dropped. The mouse pointer will also change to show what will happen when you release the mouse button. When a location is highlighted, you can release the mouse button to drop the option. If your mouse is over the top half of a highlighted location, the option will be dropped above it. If your mouse is over the bottom half, the option will be dropped below it. The mouse pointer makes this clear. A pointer with an up arrow means the option will be dropped above. A pointer with a down arrow means the option will be dropped below. You can repeat this process to move options up or down the page, creating the layout and flow you want. Once you're happy with the new layout, click Save in the toolbar so your changes go live for your visitors. And that's it. With drag and drop in the Lightning platform, rearranging content on your pages is simple, precise, and flexible.